You were always on my mind. But tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Will you really? Probably not. I like to make promises I can't keep. Nah. Hey, Boozhoo Anami'e-giizhigad Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Should I do the intro right away or should I wait till somebody's watching? If anybody's watching out there, we're going live. This is the live morning broadcast of Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I'm here this morning with my sweetheart, Niwini Mushane Natasha. Kadon, Boozhoo Natasha. Say hello to our viewers.
Boozhoo Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm great. How are you today?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Got up nice and early, got some coffee. I haven't done the walk yet. After this, do you want to go for a walk?
Yeah, should we do a walk around the big block?
Yeah. It's good to take a walk in the morning. Back in the day, they used to call it the morning constitutional. I don't know why. I don't know what the Constitution has to do with that. But all right, so hey, welcome to the show. Today, our Ojibwe word of the day is Sunday, Anami'e-giizhigad, prayer day. The Anishinaabe people, they're very spiritual people, And we call Sunday prayer day. It's a day to put out your tobacco or grab your Bible or whatever it is you do and pray to the Creator. Be thankful, say miigwech, for everything you have and for everything you don't have too, huh? I think I'm mostly grateful for things I don't have, like a whole bunch of stuff that other people have. Zits, beer belly. I'm grateful I don't have a beer belly, Lord. So yeah, Anami'e-giizhigad, prayer day in Ojibwe. And it's the second day of September. Did we write a song for September yet? Ojibwe Language. It is the second day of the leaves changing moon. And Diane Yard's here. Hey, Boozhoo, Diane. How are you, my dear? It is such a pleasure to see you today. Diane and I go way back to Concordia. And this is the real college, not just the language villages. It's kind of sad. More people know about the language villages because Chelsea Clinton went there in the 80s or the 90s or sometime. Everyone goes, oh yeah, I heard about that place. Isn't that where Chelsea Clinton learned how to speak French or Norwegian or something? I don't know why that's sad. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, Diane. She's good people. And then Sheila Ford's here. Boozhoo, Sheila. Anami'e-giizhigad. Good morning. That is our way of saying good morning. And you're watching the show. If you come in late, our Ojibwe word today is Anami'e-giizhigad, prayer day. So, say a little prayer. Don't save a prayer for me now. Save it for the morning after. Hey. All right. So today's weather, we better get at it. People are like, yeah, whatever. I didn't tune in here to learn Ojibwe. I turned here to learn the weather. So today in Bemidji, Minnesota, it is currently 54 degrees Hoa. Today is Sunday. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly before 10. Mostly cloudy then, gradually becoming sunny with a high near 74. Light and variable winds becoming northwest 6 to 11 miles per hour in the morning. Chance of precipitation is 60%. New precipitation amounts between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. How about that, sweetie?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, that's your today's weather in Indian country in Bemidji-Giizhigad. We're broadcasting live this morning from lovely Bemidji, Minnesota. You know, most people know this as the suburb of LaPorte, just north of LaPorte, as the rest of the world knows. They go, Bemidji, I've never heard of that. What's a Bemidji? And people like in New York go, oh, you know LaPorte? And they go, well, yeah, I know LaPorte, Garfield Lake, of course. And they go, well, Bemidji's just north of that. Oh, yeah. You mean that place with the ice races? Yeah, north of that, that's Bemidji. So yeah, I'd like to say Boozhoo to my Nijis from LaPorte, Minnesota. Garfield Lake. That's all it's known for, Garfield. Actually, you know what? LaPorte's a suburb of Benedict. You know that moon dance jam where everyone gets together?
Yeah.
Well, that was originally the Benedict jam, and it just got way out of hand. And there was a time when like Tim Smith and Mitch Kenitzer, Mitch, is it Mitch? One serenade would be like, hey guys, let's bring the amps over to Benedict. We'll have a Benedict jam. We can drink beer there and the adults won't even see us. We'll just play some music. You turn around 20 years and Styx is here rocking a moon dance jam. And Mitch is like, what did I do? Yeah. So I probably have the history of moon dance jam wrong. All right. So how are you doing today, Paul? Oh, I'm doing really well. This is Paul Stanley of KISS. Yeah, we all know who you are, Paul. How come you're here today? Why did you come to the show? Well, today I wanted to read a poem. A poem? Oh, that's great. You guys want to hear a poem? You want to hear a poem, sweetie?
Yeah, let him read a poem.
What poem are you gonna read? Well, I thought I'd read a poem that I wrote. All right, take it away. This poem I wrote for a KISS song. She's a dancer, a romancer. I'm a Capricorn and she's a Cancer. She saw my picture in a music magazine. Oh, that's pretty good. What do you call it? I call this poem Come On and Love Me. Well, you know what? You're a really great poet, Paul. And I appreciate you coming on the show today. Paul Stanley, you guys, a poet. All right. So there you have it. A little bit of culture with your Ojibwe language. Everyone's like, oh yeah, that's the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And they're thinking I'm going to talk about wild racing or something. But no, culture, poetry from Paul Stanley. All right, let's see what else do we got going on here. I put on my shades right away because I notice more people watch if you look cool the first moment. La 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 la, Anami'e-giizhigad. Okay, here's a new segment. This is called Ojibwe Language Trivia. You want to play, sweetie?
Yeah, I'll play.
All right. And you people at home, you can play this. Ojibwe Trivia. Ojibwe, or Chippewa, is the name used by Anglo-Saxons and other Native Americans to refer to the tribe. The Ojibwe call themselves the Anishinaabe. What does Anishinaabe mean? Is it A, people from the heavens, or B, the people of the water, or C, the original people, or D, the canoe people? We got people from heaven, people from water, original people, or canoe people. What do you think it is, sweetie?
Well, I know the answer. Do you want me to answer it?
Uh, Anybody out there? Diane, do you know what Anishinaabe means? Hello. She doesn't know. It means original people.
Yeah.
Original people. But you know, that makes me wonder. Did we just start calling ourselves that after, like Europeans came? I mean, what did we call ourselves before we had to, designate between the originals and the new people? It'd be like if somebody said, "Oh, I'm a native Earthling. I'm original Earthling," as opposed to what? So I don't know. Maybe I'll have to look into that on next week's Ojibwe Trivia Challenge. I don't know. All right. So what's new with you?
What's new with me? Oh, I don't know. I've just been kind of, putzing around the house and getting some stuff done, paying some bills.
Yeah, I got to do that today too. Yeah. So here we are again on the Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo podcast. And today's Ojibwe word, Anami'e-giizhigad, prayer day. On Ojibwe-giizhigad, falling leaves, moon, 2, Nij. And we got the Ojibwe language, some culture with Paul Stanley and his poem, Come On and Love Me. And then, I wonder, oh, we did the weather too. And so, yeah, I think that's all I have for today. You got anything you want to add?
Not really.
Oh, just kind of whipped through this one. Any celebrities I want to disrespect?
What's a celebrity you don't like?
I don't like. Oh, there's so many. It'd be easier to say what's a celebrity I like. All right. Well, hey, I want to say thank you everyone for watching Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo. Let me just say too, anyone new to the channel, we have a Patreon page. If you'd like to contribute financially, you can go to Patreon and sign up. $5 a month patrons get a cartoon, and they get a book, an Ojibwe reference, coffee table book called Like Snow on Skin. And then, come over to YouTube, check out our videos. We got some music videos and all that. But that's, I think we're going to mahjong because I realize I got nothing else to say. So, hey, thank you. It's nice to see you, Diane and Cyrilla Ford. Hey, Boozhoo. I probably messed up your name, but it's nice to see you. Thank you for coming on the show. And, well, all right, so we're going to leave, and I'm going to say, Giga Wabamin Menawa. I will see you again. Oh, what? Oh, and I'm sorry, this was Natasha.
Kika Wabamin, Minawa.
Yeah, sorry, I forget to announce you and stuff like that. All right, well, I'll see you later.